All right, boys and girls, go ahead and open your companion book to page 30. So we are on page 30 from your companion research book. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over, you have been aware of everything that's going on in our country. We are very close to changing our president. And this was all done possible because we voted. So why do we vote? And so this isn't like a review because we have done voting and the importance of voting and how that affects us. So voting for choices. There are different ways to vote. You can raise your hand. You can write your vote on a paper. You can say yay to vote yes or nay to vote no. Your class might have voted on which field trip to go to. Each student makes a choice. All of the votes are counted. The class will go on a trip with the most votes. Students can vote to make choices in the classroom. So maybe your teacher has had different options and you guys vote on whatever option she gives you. So the majority of the vote wins. So let's look over here. This is a field trip idea. And if you can look, you see there's a museum, a factory, and a pumpkin. So these are the number of students who voted for each of these items. Okay, so this class voted to go to the pumpkin patch. If you look here, this field trip idea won because it had more votes. So, chart and graph skills. A graph can show you many people voted for a choice. 4 students voted to go to the museum. You look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students. 5 students voted to go to the factory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 students voted to go to the pumpkin patch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each line on the graph shows the votes. The pumpkin patch has the most votes, therefore, this idea wins. So I want you to think of one thing you voted in the classroom, and I want you to record yourself telling us what is one thing you have voted in the classroom, and did your vote count? Why or why not? Okay, go ahead and record your response and upload it into Schoology.